guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a clean with me video. I've not done one of these in a while on this channel, but I'm planning on bringing them back. I hope you're excited for that. But today, specifically, we are cleaning my office. I felt like that is something that pretty much everybody on here, maybe not everyone, but I feel like a lot of people who are interested in sticker shop videos would be interested in seeing like me tidy my sticker shop office. So I feel like it still connects with everything that I've been doing on my channel, but I will be bringing back like full on clean with me videos soon, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick overview of what my office looks like right now. It's not the worst shape it's ever been in, but I just want to like clean it, wipe everything down, get everything ready to go, because I always feel so much more productive when I have a clean space that I'm working in. And so yeah, I'm gonna turn you guys around and show you guys what we're working with today. Okay, so this is the state of the office. Like I said, not the worst it's ever been. I do need to like organize this printer tower, I guess is what I would call it. I need to clean up all of that mess. There's some of this stuff, like that stuff down there, I'm gonna have to go through at a later date. So I mainly just focused on cleaning like the tabletops. There's some stuff over here in my little filming area that I need to pick up. Just, you know, overall, there's some of this stuff, which is not too bad. My cart actually looks super organized today. And then there's stuff on the floor, some paper, some trash, you know. Anyway, so that is the state of my office the before, and we are gonna get into cleaning it. Okay, you guys, so here is the after. It looks so much better. There's still a lot of things that I like need to go through, you know, but for the most part, it feels so much better, so clean, just so nice. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Over in this corner, I put my stickers because I filmed my plan with me here, so I just put them there, and then that's all my tax stuff that should be filed away very soon. And then I put Mickey behind my Sticky Situations cosign, and I actually really like that. I think that's really cute, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then over here, I just kind of cleaned up everything. I need to go through this at some point, but I think that this just looks pretty good. So yeah, and then I put my planner out here because I'm gonna film a plan with me sometime this week, hopefully, so it's already ready to go for me. I didn't vacuum in here. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today or if I'm gonna save that for when I vacuum the rest of the apartment. I'm gonna do like a big clean on Friday of the entire apartment, so I might just save it for then. But either way, I'm not feeling like vlogging that or showing that in my video because it's just vacuuming. It's like whatever, you know. Also, it's kind of a hassle to like have to move the camera around when I'm trying to just like vacuum everything. So yeah, but that is it for this clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. I'm gonna have a bunch of cleaning content coming to this channel, as well as my sticker shop stuff. I'm just adding more stuff for you guys, so hopefully that's exciting to you guys. And if it is, make sure that you click that subscribe button and that bell notification. That way you're notified right whenever I upload. Please don't mind this hair. I don't know what my hair is doing. I don't know its life anymore. Anyway, so make sure that you click that subscribe button if you're interested in that, and you click that bell notification, and you give this video a thumbs up so I know you want to see more cleaning videos. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.